Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is another video for creating simple Power BI reports. Two new tasks will be performed in this video, and some practices from previous tutorial will also be revised. What we are going to do today, first I will tell you, this is Excel file with us, workbook of Excel having column names, film ID, title, release date, director ID, studio ID, review, country ID, language, genre ID, runtime, minute, certificate, budget, etc., etc. These are the columns in this workbook. We have to upload this one, and next this will be our output. We have to upload this image, we have to insert this shape, we have to bring the table in this format. This will be our output today in the simple Power BI report. You see Oscar 1 having two fields, January and Oscar 1s by different categories of movies or films. This you will see, and this is the output we will be creating in the simple Power BI report. And the new task that we are going to perform in this tutorial is this one: how we can use the table tools and how we can use the column tools. This is a new technique which so far we haven't studied in our tutorial, how we can use table tools and how we can use column tools. This will be a new feature and something new that we are going to learn. So let's start and open our Power BI. This is our Power BI. We get this Excel workbook. We got it. It is having these tables. So we select these three tables, and next we load these tables so that they appear in the field pane at here. It takes a little time to load the tables and bring them into the field pane. And finally, all these three tables that we had selected from the Excel workbook have loaded, and you can see them at here. Now we have to upload an image. For this, we have to click on insert, then we have to click on image, and this is the image. We can relocate it, resize it and relocate it. We bring it here. Next step is to insert a shape. We click on this tab, shape, and we select this. This can be resized and this can be relocated. See, we resized it. And next step is the table that we have to create. We create a matrix, and we place the matrix at here. Now we select January. January come at here. Now we select certificate. Certificate column will come at here, and from here, from films, we select Oscar wins. So this was our requirement. Now if we make changes, suppose we want to change the visualization column header, we change it, we increase its fonts, and we change the background color to it. Suppose we keep the background color like this one. You can see this one. And if we click on the journal, we can turn on the title, and here we write the text like Oscar win, Oscar won. We resize it heading, and the text color is changed to this one, and we apply some background to it, and we place it in the center. So we did so. This was another task we had to perform, and now the final task, how we can use the table tool, and how we can use the column tool. For this, we have to click on the home tab, and then we have to click here on new measures. When click on new measures, you can see the table tool. It is here, table tool. On which field we have to apply the table tool, we click it here, certificate ID. And certificate ID. For this, if we click it here on certificate ID. Hello. Walaikum salam. नहीं है. We click it here. When we click it here, then you can watch this sort by column, and we click on certificate ID, then we can do the sorting. We can sort it in ascending order. We can sort it in descending order. Unless and until we click it here, you cannot reach to the column tool. You will reach to the column tool by clicking on the selected column which we are going to use for ordering the contents of the table. So that's all, and hopefully you enjoy it. Meet in the next tutorial.